Okay, let me explain. So what you can do, first of all, with the SPC contact pages, you cannot introduce new smart action like this in the action bar. Okay, but you can create your own buttons here and you can perform operations. Say, for example, if I'm clicking on edit contact, see, it'll open the drawer. If I click on create contact, it's opening a drawer. Like that, add team you can give and you can have your own drawer. Okay, I will explain. Fine. I went to the SPC contact page. I went to the page designer. Fine. So I just basically chose the custom action layout. Okay. So I created a new rule set, edit rules, and I created my own rules. I cloned and I created my own rules. Inside the rules, I have these sections: create contact, edit contact, create service request. That's what you're seeing. Okay, so each section I'll explain. Okay, so if I go here, these are the sections. Okay, so I'll just go to this section and I'll explain. See, edit contact is a section. Okay, so this is a button that I've added, dragged and dropped a button, so it got added. So here in the edit contact, if you see, right, it is attached to a button action. See here. So in this button action, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit a dollar variables edit drawer equal to true. Okay. But this edit drawer I would have used in the page designer in the sense, if you go to the template code, right? I'm checking for that page variable. It should open only when the edit drawer page variable is basically set to true. Okay. But this particular drawer pop-up template where I added, let me just show. So that basically I added return to the page. First, I added the button in the custom action layout. No, similarly, there is a vertical container layout, horizontal container layout. Okay, there are two layouts are there. Fine. So you can add in any of the layouts. So first, I will go to this particular vertical container layout. Okay, so this is a vertical contact. So inside that, this particular section is there. This is the horizontal layout, recent interaction. This section is there. See, create contact. It's completely a new section which got added. This is the create contact, correct? So this has been added to the overall container. See, this is added to the overall container. So overall container, how I have added, I'll show you. So this is a section, right? So create contact is a section where actually that itself is a dynamic container where it is going to a particular dynamic form. Fine. So similarly, in the SVC contact, if I want to add a new section, say for example, like this drawer, when you click on it is opening, right? Something similar to that, if I want to create a section, how will I create? I'll just show you. See, this is the contact summary. So I'll just go to the JSON. Hmm. I'll just choose edit contact. This is the edit contact button. See, this is the edit contact drawer. Okay, this is the edit contact drawer, and this is the section template map. And if you see, it is added to the horizontal section template. You saw here, edit drawer contact is added to this particular case, and this case is part of horizontal container layout. That's what I'm telling. So you should add it as part of the horizontal container layout. Let me add a new section and show it to you. Okay. So I'm going to horizontal container layout. I'm going to edit the rules. Okay. So already these many tab bar, recent, dialog box, everything is there. Where already the drawer pop-up is showing. See, edit contact drawer is there, right? Now let me add a new section. Okay. So how will I add a new section? First, I'll come here. I'll go to the section. I'll try to add a new section. Okay. New add team, for example. Okay. So I'm adding a new section. So after adding a new section, I'm coming to the rule set again. Okay, whichever is the default rule set, I'm coming and adding this section to this. See, it's already added. Fine. Now, if I go to the section, new team section, new add team, whatever that I've added, I'm going to give some dummy content. Okay, just to show how it pops up. Okay. So then you can hide, show whatever based on the page variable. So for example, if I want to select calendar, I'm just for the testing perspective, right? I'm just trying to add this OJSP calendar. Okay. So just put it as week. give some ID. Okay. What it is telling required calendar attribute is missing. Mandatory must be declared. Okay, that is okay. Okay, I just added it. Fine. So let me just preview. So default rule set, I've already added this particular section. So I'm just previewing. So we'll drill down to a contact page and we will see. So I'm already inside the drawer in the contact page. See here, that section got added. Now hide and showing the section is up to us, what we wanted to do. But that section will get added. So like this only the drawer section, everything is getting added. Fine. So the first step, you have to come to the SVC contact, you have to go to the page designer, and inside the page designer, basically you have to choose the particular section. So the contact SVC contact page has dedicated section. So in the section, first you need to choose the custom action layout. In the custom action layout, basically you need to add your own section for that button to show add team or whatever. Then basically what you need to do is you have to come to the horizontal content container layout, and then basically you have to go to the rule of that and you have to basically add your own section. Say for example, new add team, like how I added. Fine. And in the new add team section, make sure that you give your own code to show the drawer, table, whatever you have to do for the add team option. So like that only you can do. You cannot have your additional smart action just like that added here. Only via a button you can do it. So that is the SVC contact page limitation. Thanks.